Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain how to activate gift cards bought online step by step so you can start using them quickly and without issues. Step 1. Check your confirmation email. After purchasing a gift card online, you will usually receive an email containing the card details or a link to access them. Make sure the payment is completed and the email is from the official seller. Step 2. Open the gift card details. Click the link in the email or open the attached information to view the card number and PIN or security code. For some brands, the card is already active and ready to use at this stage. Step 3. Read the activation instructions carefully. Some online gift cards require no additional activation, while others may ask you to confirm the card on the brand's website or redeem it to your balance before use. Step 4. Activate the card if required. Visit the official website listed in the email, enter the card number and PIN, and follow the on-screen instructions until you see a confirmation message. Step 5. Verify the balance. Once activation is complete, check the available balance online or through the brand's app to make sure the correct amount has been applied. Step 6. Secure your digital gift card. Save the email in a safe place and avoid sharing screenshots or codes. Digital gift cards can be used instantly if someone else gains access. By following these steps, you can activate and use gift cards bought online safely and efficiently. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next helpful video.